Alright guys, EzAlgo V4 is finally out, and I've been getting a ton of questions in the Discord asking me to go over EzAlgo V4 and the new inputs in a video. So that's what I'm going to be going over today. First thing I want to say is that if you haven't seen my previous EzAlgo V3.5 walkthrough, I definitely recommend you go and watch that before this one if you're brand new to EzAlgo and haven't used it before, because that will give you a good introduction on how to actually purchase EzAlgo, get set up, and then the basic inputs. And we added a couple of inputs for the V4 update, and I'm super stoked about this. I think this is probably one of the best updates I've done thus far to EzAlgo. Just makes trading so much easier. And when you have all these confluences together, you can enter trades with so much more confidence and start finally becoming profitable, all right? If you don't have EzAlgo already, be sure to hit the first link in the description below to get yourself this TradingView indicator. It is by far the best buy-sell indicator on TradingView and all-around technical indicator, all right? When you have all of these inputs together combined into one TradingView indicator, it's really all you need if you're a new trader, right? Or even an experienced trader, just for that extra confluence. So after you hit the first link in the description below, go through the process and put your TradingView username in the Start Here channel of our Discord. You're gonna come up here to indicators. All right, go to invite only scripts and then click on EzAlgo V4, and I already have it loaded in. And this is what it will look like as soon as it loads in. And I am on BAL USDT right now. This is one of the strategies that I actually talk about in the Pro Discord. It's trading an altcoin on a slightly higher time frame using EzAlgo. And BAL USDT has been absolutely killing it. Now, I do recommend a slightly higher time frame than even the 15 if you're just starting, but I find it has been extremely smooth recently, so I figured it is a good chart to go and show you the new input. So we're going to go into settings right here. Immediately, you'll notice that the buy and sell signals are turned off. So a lot of people have been asking what these blue and red dots are here on the screen. Those are simply the buy and sell signals, all right? I just turned the labels off. Now, if you want, you can turn the labels on and you will see the buy and sell labels. However, I like to keep these off, okay? Because I don't just follow the buy and sell signals. So I'll use that as confirmation, but not a basis for entry in most cases, right? Sometimes I will, but I like to keep those off. It just makes my chart a little bit more clear and easy to follow. We also have the stop loss percent, which is the automatic stop loss and take profit. We're gonna turn that to 0. We're not gonna be using that. We also have the trend ribbon, support and resistance 1, support and resistance 2, and reversal signals, which we are also going to turn on. Now, I'm assuming most of you guys already know these updates from the V3.5 walkthrough I did. Like I said, if you haven't watched that video, I definitely recommend you watch that before this one if you're brand new. But we're going to turn the reversal signals on, and you'll notice that in the style tab, we have a couple of new inputs, right? We have the mild buy, the mild sell, the divergence buy, and the divergent sell. So we're going to get into those in just a moment. Before the reversal buy, what I like to do is actually change this to 30% opacity, all right? Because sometimes these signals overlap each other. And for the best results, you're going to change that to 30% opacity. Makes it a little bit more easy to follow. So now your chart should look something like this. Also, something else I like to do is change the support and resistance 1 to a solid line and keep the SR2 as a solid line as well, set to the 1 hour time frame. All right, this is a setup that I'm running normally when I'm using EzAlgo. I will keep the support and resistance levels as lines to help me find those zones. But just for this video, I'm going to turn off SR2 just to make it as clear as possible, so I can show you guys, how you can use EzAlgo V4 to find a better entry and also know when to take profit. So the rules for using EzAlgo V4 are the same as the previous versions, right? The main focus is the support and resistance levels, right? If you don't keep these levels in mind, you're not going to be profitable. It doesn't matter what strategy you're using. It doesn't matter how accurate your indicator is. If you're not keeping in mind the horizontal levels, then forget about it and find something else, because trading is not going to be for you. You need to keep these levels in mind. That is how any trader is profitable, right? Now, EzAlgo makes this easy since it will automatically load in these levels for you. And what you're waiting for is for price to come down to these levels. And you'll notice here on the V4 that we have these mild buy signals, right, as these blue X's. And you will notice that each time price comes to a support level, for the most part, and you get a mild buy signal, price will go up, especially if you have some of these EzAlgo reversal signals leading up to it. Pretty much each time we get that X, price will go up a little bit, right? So that is what I will use if I want to enter a trade as soon as possible, right? I'll wait for that mild buy signal to enter my position, And usually if I have an EzAlgo buy signal following it, that gives me more confirmation to stay in the trade, right? And I can just go through this a little bit. We have a mild sell signal, then we have this divergent sell signal, and then an EzAlgo sell signal, but we would probably take it right around here if that was a resistance level at the time, which I believe it was. Came back down, tested it once more with an EzAlgo sell signal, and price came down. And you can use these mild buy signals when you're in a downtrend as take profits. I know a lot of you guys are struggling with take profit. Well, this can actually help you take profit when you're in a trade. If price were to reverse right around here, you would have locked in some profits. And you can go through and see how accurate this is for yourself, right? We have a mild buy signal right here. Price goes up for the time being after that EzAlgo buy signal. BAL has been super smooth to scalp recently, so I highly recommend looking into scalping some of these lower cap altcoins, but be sure to wait until price comes to a level, because if not, you can definitely get chopped up pretty easily. But here is a great example of what I'm talking about. You see we have this EzAlgo mild buy signal. We would enter right around there. We get that EzAlgo buy signal, price comes up. Get that EzAlgo mild sell signal as well as the divergent sell signal, price comes down, comes up with another mild sell signal, comes down, and you can just follow these signals, right? And these gains are pretty good if you're scalping on a lower time frame, right? Like a 1% move is very good for scalping, especially if you're using, 30, 40x leverage. Not that I would recommend that for beginners, but it just goes to show the possibilities when you're using this indicator. And you can go and back test this yourself a little bit. Obviously, the support and resistance levels will change as price action changes, but you can even back test these EzAlgo buy and sell signals and see for yourself how accurate they really are. And a lot of people have been asking what the divergence buy and sell signals actually are. The divergence buy and sell signals are actually based off of the Fu Manchu Cipher B momentum wave. So after a bullish or bearish divergence is confirmed on Fu Manchu Cipher B, you will see a signal appear in EzAlgo, all right? And this kind of takes away from using too many indicators, and you can have it all on one indicator. So it saves you some screen real estate, so you're not looking at a million different things, and makes price action a lot more clear. All right, I'm just gonna show you real quick on Bitcoin right now, recent Bitcoin price action, and see how it's been playing out, right? And you can see for yourself, right? We come up to this high resistance level. We're getting some EzAlgo mild sell. We get that divergent sell, and price dumps from there. And we get an EzAlgo sell signal to follow as confirmation. So that is pretty much the basics of EzAlgo V4, the new inputs and how you can use it to the best of your ability to see the best results. Also, if you want to set alerts for these, you can go over here to alerts, set the condition to EzAlgo V4. And you can set an alert to either the buy or sell signals, the divergence buy or sell signals, or the mild buy and sell signals. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section below how you're liking V4 and the kind of gains that you're making, right? Like I said, for best results, go to a higher time frame. I'd recommend minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour if you are a beginner. If you've been trading for a little bit and have a better understanding of price action, feel free to use this on a 15 or even 5-minute time frame to scalp some of those lower cap altcoins. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.